Mostly you are depressed and alone because people don't respect you. You walk into a room and nobody notices. They ignore you and don't take you seriously. But that changes today. In this video I will give you 5 rules that will change how people see you and perceive you. These 5 rules will make sure that you are respected. So let's get started with rule number 1. Use the power of presence. It is the ability to command attention the moment you enter a room. It may be controlled by your body language, your movements, and your strong posture. Imagine a company CEO walks in. He doesn't rush, he moves slowly and confidently. Before he even speaks, the entire room is paying attention. This is the power of your presence. So build it. Rule number 2. The 3-second rule. This is a technique where you wait for 3 seconds before you speak in conversation. This creates a sense of authority as people perceive you as thoughtful and competitive rather than impulsive. The 3-second rule makes the other person feel your presence and it forces them to respect your response. So make sure whenever the next time you are giving speech, you must add this 3-second rule. Rule number 3. The unbreakable eye contact rule. This is the most important psychological trick where you maintain eye contact for 1 second longer than usual in conversations. This subtle technique makes you appear confident, dominant, and respected in social interactions. That small extra second instantly changes how others perceive you. So make sure you have an excellent eye contact. Rule number 4. Use the power of controlled silence. This is the ability to use strategic pauses and measured responses to make your words carry more weight. Instead of talking excessively, powerful individuals use silence to create more mystery and authority. If you want to be respected, don't just speak. Use silence as a secret weapon. Rule number 5. The law of scarcity. The law of scarcity suggests that people value what is rare or difficult to access. By making yourself slightly less available, not always replying instantly or being too eager, you increase your perceived value and respect. So make sure that you are busy and not always available, because they will value you when you respect yourself. Value and respect go hand in hand. Increase your value, then they will respect you. More the value, more is the respect.